We have an unboxing from Five Below. It's a laptop stand with USB hub. Let's take a closer look at this. Five Below has been a go-to source of budget-friendly content creator equipment for those of us here at Literally Literary since the beginning. It retails for $10 in the United States and is of solid construction. The kit includes one laptop stand with hub, folded dimensions 11 inches by 11 inches by 0.78 inches, or 28 centimeters by 28 centimeters by 1.9 centimeters. One instruction manual. One USB cable 18.9 inches or 48 centimeters. Input, one USB port. Hub, 3 by 2.0 ports and 1 by Type-C port. Output, 500 max total. Also includes a cable holding slot. There is also a handy phone holder on the side. For the money, we think it is well worth purchasing. Here at Literally Literary, we are always on the lookout for budget-friendly equipment and materials to help us better creatives. We also love to pass them on to creatives like you. You like this? Please subscribe and let us know if you want to see more content like this. Keep creating!